What's up guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. So if you have an older Tesla Model 3, your trunk and your frunk are most likely manually powered, in which you actually have to go to the trunk and lift up the gates, lift up the lids themselves for both your trunk and your frunk. And you've probably seen and researched that there's a good amount of vendors out there that will sell you the kit to add some power to the trunk and frunk. The one vendor that usually comes to mind is Hansshow. In this video, Hansshow actually sent me out two kits, one for their power frunk and another for their powered trunk. We're actually going to do a little bit of an unboxing for both of these, show you what's inside, everything that it comes with, my review of it, and what I think about everything that comes included with these two trunk and frunk kits for your Tesla Model 3. So welcome back to the channel and thanks for watching another video, and let's get into it. So here are the two Hansshow trunk and frunk kits for the Tesla Model 3. You can see they're basically identical boxes, but the only way you can tell is on the side. This one says Tesla Powered Model 3 Trunk, and then of course this one says Tesla Powered Model 3 Frunk. And this one's version 7 and this one's version 4.2. So they're pretty much identical boxes. So I'm gonna first do the trunk unboxing so I can show you everything inside and all the different contents, and then I'll show you the frunk unboxing after that. So removing everything out, of course, it comes with an installation guide with a video that shows you all the different steps. You can see you have to kind of remove basically the inside of your trunk and then remove some of the struts and everything around it. Definitely some pretty complicated stuff. Most of the states in the United States have an installer or a local installer that can help you with this. But in terms of everything that's included with the kit, everything is individually wrapped, pretty nice. Even comes with electrical tape, that's actually really cool. All the different tools, there's even a button right here, so for the trunk, I guess for the interior. Wow, there's actually a lot of different stuff that it comes with, a lot of different like random tools and screw wrenches, and of course more manuals. Everything is individually wrapped, all the different cables. This looks like the motor so that I can power some of the struts. And of course, a lot more cables in here for all the different wiring. And these are the two powered struts right here that probably just look like your current struts, but of course there's a motor right here that powers these to lift up the struts. So definitely a pretty thorough kit from Hansshow. This install you could probably do yourself if you're pretty handy, and I might try and do it myself. I haven't really decided just yet, but there's a lot of different things in here and a lot of different steps to install it. So let me lay out all this and give you some B-roll footage of everything that it comes with. This was the first part of the unboxing, which was the Model 3 trunk kit. I'm pretty sure the front kit is gonna look almost identical with similar parts and everything that it comes with, but it's packaged really well, and there's just a lot of different wires and everything that it comes and includes with, and it seems like it comes with everything that you need to install the power trunk on your Model 3. So let's go ahead and unbox the front kit and show you everything inside that kit to give you a good expectation of what you're gonna get. So this is the front kit for the Model 3, or the power front kit, and as you can see, the box is basically identical. So let's go ahead and open it up and show you all the different contents inside for what this kit has. So pulling it out, of course, it has an instruction guide as well as a video. But inside, it's basically a lot of the same stuff. Looks like two powered struts right here on the side, a power module right here for the frunk, or like a CPU module of some sort. But basically everything inside looks pretty much similar, if not slightly different. There's something in here that's labeled something, but it looks like it's a bracket of some sort to keep probably these power struts on the side. as well as another motor right here to stick somewhere so that you can power the struts, and of course a lot more cables to wire up this power frunk for your Tesla Model 3. I'm not gonna lay out all this because it's basically gonna look like the B-roll from before of the trunk kit, but this is basically what you get for a Hansshow Tesla Model 3 power frunk kit to give you an expectation of everything that it comes with. So definitely shout out to Hansshow for sending me this kit and so I can do an unboxing of it. And of course, I'll paste links below to the kit as well as my own promo code so you can get a discount if you're interested in purchasing this exact kit for your Tesla Model 3. So yeah, thanks for watching this quick video on the unboxing of the Model 3 Power Frunk and Power Trunk kit from Hansshow. They're definitely both quality kits, and Hansshow is definitely a name and a vendor that comes up a lot when you're trying to purchase the Power Trunk or the Power Frunk for your Tesla Model 3, so I definitely recommend them. Of course, I'll paste links below to both of these kits so you can take a look, as well as my discounts for the kits if you're interested in them. Alright guys, thanks for watching this quick video of the Hansshow Power Trunk and Power Frunk kit for your Tesla Model 3. Comment down below if you have this exact kit and if the install is pretty much easy or if you did it yourself. Love to hear you guys' thoughts. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video and I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya!